How to add font in Canva. So basically what you're gonna have to do is first of all download your font. So I'm gonna go with here with this website, which is thefont.com, and here you can find free fonts to use. You're gonna have to simply download them, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to Canva, select your text, and then click on fonts. Now here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on upload a font at the bottom, and then simply, so make sure first of all we're gonna have to unzip the folder and then go back to Canva and click on upload a font and then select the font, and basically that's all you have to do. And then you're gonna find the font here on the left side. As you can see, we have Alvina. So basically that's all you have to do in order to add font in Canva. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.